A public health alert in Clackamas County. Doctors there are seeing a growing number of cases of whooping cough.
And this is especially high among children, of course, in the wintertime. Ugh. It's a tough time for kids. Of course, whooping cough, also known as pertussis, can end up putting some kids in the hospital even. Lisa Balick looking into this to find out more about what do we need to know, Lisa?
Well, you know that hacking cough that just won't go away. Like for a couple of months it goes on after what seems like a cold. Well, Clackamas County says so far there have been 60 confirmed cases in the past couple of months, more cases than over the past 5 years. They're seeing an increase of whooping cough in school-age kids, especially high school students. Now, doctors say one reason is that you get your last required pertussis shot when you're in middle school, and the immunity does somehow wear off, some of it. But there is great concern now about spreading this upper respiratory infection to newborns who don't start getting the vaccine for it until they are 2 months old.
Infants have the highest risk, and they're the most likely to land in the hospital. And occasionally, there is a death among infants who get pertussis.
Now, infants don't even get all their shots they need to fight it off until they're 6 months old. Now, pregnant women also are urged to get the vaccine to help give their babies protection. Antibiotics are used to treat patients. Now, the message right now is to check with your doctor's office, see if and when you and your children were last vaccinated against whooping cough, and it is not too late at any point to get a shot.
Good tips. Thank you, Lisa. Now, new